Morning. Gonna be working on a Mercedes. Let's look at this. This is nice. It's a Range Rover. I believe it's the HSE. All right, we're gonna be doing the front brakes on this Gl350. 350. Gl350. We got some OEM Mercedes brake pads. They kind of smell like sardines a little bit. Ceramic is heat resistant, so they won't leave a lot of dust. We're gonna start by jacking it up. I think I'm gonna jack it up from that point right there. It looks like a pretty solid spot. It's gonna be 17 millimeters. Start by removing this clip, and then you got the brake sensor right here. Brake sensor. That brake sensor. Got thin these pads are too. It's definitely time. They both the same length also, so that's good. Alright, we use this tool to push this all the way back. Asbestos. All right, now that we got one side done, well, not we, I did it, damn it. What I usually do is pump the brakes. That way I'm not pushing all that fluid back into the reservoir and causing leaks. And on the driver's side, it's gonna be pretty much the same procedure. All right, just finished up with the driver's side. I'll pump them brakes one last time.